go. We are discovering Bari today. This is one of the most beautiful cities in Puglia, in the southern of Italy, and also one of the biggest ones.
So Bari is the beautiful capital of Apulia. We spent 4 days actually. I think it has been the longest city that we've been. There are so many things to do, to see, and you can plan so many day trips from Bari as well. The best thing that you can do is eat. Like, you have to eat, like literally. You can't leave Bari without eating. So a couple of days ago we were eating on the bar just behind us. So now we're trying this one just to have an aperitif. You have to try the local food because the other day we went and we tried the puccia, and it was like, oh my god, like super nice. And actually now that we got the flight back to London, we're just gonna buy it on the way back. So what to do in Bari? You have so many options to see the historic city center. We're just strolling around the narrow streets and just getting lost. And of course,
Bari Vecchia.
Yeah, Bari Vecchia, call it, or like Old Town, or just having a long walk on the promenade close to the sea, which during the night is really, really nice. So you can see all the lights, and you will find so many locals just sitting on the riverside. On the seaside. On the seaside, maybe. I'm just getting used to riverside in London, so sorry. To the seaside and just having a spritz, beer, and just eating like we've done yesterday. So we went to grab a dinner and then we just went to the seaside and eat. And then you need to see the castle, of course the Basilica di San Nicola church. And then what to do? Eat, and eat. Like, I think on the top of the list it should be eat, and eat. That's all. After the castle, after having the walk around the seaside, you need to see the old wall of the city. And then just enjoy Bari. Talk with locals, ask them for any tips or recommendation. They will be more than happy to help you and just to tell you like where to go or what to do. And especially if you ask them what's the nicest place to eat, they will tell you like the local bar where you will find only locals. And yes, enjoy Bari. Cheers.
Arrived on the seaside of Puglia after discovering the Valle that is the internal side of this amazing part of Italy, southern Italy.
Yeah.
Now we are discovering the coast,
beaches.
the Adriatic coast.
Beautiful beach. So yeah, we took this day like kind of day off. So we are not posting on
since
social
yesterday.
Yeah, we are not posting on social media. I'm not doing anything. I'm just enjoying the sun. You can see me like.
Yeah, actually we arrived in Monopoli this morning around 10 o'clock, past 10.
And now it's 3 o'clock. So we're going to have a nap on the beach. So we are
After
just taking
lunch.
it slow, so nice. So yeah, but it's a stop that you have to do if you are coming to Puglia, because besides of Polignano, which is very known everywhere in the world, Monopoli is just a little bit further away, and maybe 5 minutes by train, 10 minutes?
It's just 5 minutes,
Yeah.
next stop by train from Polignano.
Yeah.
The same exact train.
And it's absolutely beautiful and worth to come and visit it.
Polignano.
Yes, today is our last day, beach day, because tomorrow we got the flights 9:30, something like that in the evening, but we're gonna stay in Bari, so we are saying bye-bye to the sea.
And honestly, this road trip is going to be to the end, and we have gone already with some tips about how to make it happen with just public transport, and we were was actually easier than we thought.
Yeah, it was easy and funny actually. I mean,
yeah, funny because you meet a lot of locals and giving you a lot of tips on how to travel
where
around.
To go. Like even inside tips. Like yesterday in Monopoli, one of the guy told us that there is a secret beach which you need to take the bus from Monopoli and go there. Just telling the driver the destination.
Where to drop off.
Yeah, where to drop off, and he will. And so, just if you're planning a road trip in Puglia, just make sure to do it even in the easiest way. So with public transport, you don't need a car. I mean, you can easily do it. Now we are going to fly our little drone, so we can show you a bit of
Polignano from another point of view.
Our last day in this beautiful beach. I don't want to come back in London. Well, actually, check the weather and they were like 26, 30 degrees tomorrow.
So time to the beach to Brighton. Let's plan about.
Yeah, which actually next week we're going to Brighton, so can't complain about it. So hopefully the weather is gonna be nice even next week. So for the moment, that's all, guys. So if you have any other question about Puglia and our road trip, just let us know, and we will be more than happy to explain you everything, all the stops that we've done, which public transport we took, but don't worry, a new blog post will be out very, very soon.